Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Drones Down Under. I'm Sunny from AirInspect, and today we will look at how to upload a project from iTwin Capture Modeler to Reality Data Viewer. We'll cover initiating a production for uploading a 3D mesh, registering a project on Bentley Project Wise, and lastly, we'll cover some rudimentary functions within Reality Data Viewer. The software we'll be using today is a free version of iTwin Capture Desktop Viewer. If you're interested in trying out this software, there will be a link in the description below to download and try the software. Let's have a look at this 3D mesh. As we see, this is a 3D mesh of a soccer club. What we want to make sure for 3D mesh that we're going to upload onto Reality Data Viewer is that there isn't any major artifact within this 3D mesh. And also in areas that we are interested in inspecting. Because when we move on to Reality Data Viewer, we will see that there is application where you can put down a point of interest and inspect the actual photo within that point of interest. As we see here, there is nothing going on with this particular structure, no major defects. So we're going to go ahead and move on to iTwin Capture Modeler. Like we have inspected on the free version of the desktop viewer, there isn't any major artifact or fault with this particular 3D mesh. So in order to prepare for an upload, what we're going to do is we're going to submit a new production. And for the purpose and name, there shouldn't be anything changed. For the purpose and name, leave everything at default. On the format and option, click iTwin Ready. And make sure that generate level of detail across tile is on. For the spatial reference system, make sure the spatial reference system is correct because this will match up the 3D mesh with the background map. Next, we choose a destination. And as formality, name it in any naming convention that you prefer or your organization prefer. And then we'll click Submit. And here we have a complete production of the iTwin. We can inspect the results here. You can repeat the previous inspection that we have done in the desktop viewer. Make sure there isn't any major floating artifacts, and make sure there isn't any major defect with this particular 3D mesh. Back into iTwin Capture Modeler, we want to go ahead and navigate to the iTwin production. We're going to click the Share button on the top right corner. Here you will see a window, Share on Reality Management Portal. Here you want to associate this particular production with an iTwin. Once you have associated with the iTwin project, go ahead and click Upload Data. This will take a significant amount of time, so be prepared to wait. What this will do is upload not just the 3D mesh, but also the photos that are used in this project. You will see how that come into play later on in the video. Back into the project main page. Now that we have uploaded an iTwin production, let's click into Reality Management. Here in Reality Management, we can see all the data that has been uploaded from the production. As you can see by the file size, that's why it has taken so long. Now we can see a file called Cesium 3D Tiles, in which we can open it in Reality Viewer. So let's go ahead and click it. Here we are in the Reality Data Viewer. Here you can see the 3D mesh as well as the background map layer. Let's pull out the side panel. You have the option to make the background map more transparent, or alternatively, you can turn it off. In this case, we will turn it off. Now let's engage with one of the major functions within Reality Data Viewer, and that is the photo navigation. To do so, we'll go to the Reality Data tab, click on Photo Navigation, and make the image set visible. Here we'll see the panel for the image set. Let's zoom in. To engage with the photo navigation function, go ahead and select a point of interest. Here we have select a point of interest on the ladder. Here we can see all the images that are taken off this ladder in this entire project. That's going to be it for this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Drones Down Under for more content like this. We do a variety of drone related content. That's going to be it. Thank you.